If you're getting paid in crypto, you have 3 problems right now that you probably haven't even thought about. First, anyone who knows your wallet address can see all your transactions and your balance. It's like keeping your money in a transparent jar. Second, if your crypto is on an exchange, it's not yours. Binance, Coinbase, Bybit, it doesn't matter. If the exchange closes, you'll lose all your money. Take FTX in 2022, for example. In 3 days, people lost billions of dollars, and these weren't crypto newbies, but real people with experience. And third, a wallet on your phone is like a pocket with a hole in it. One virus and your money could be gone. Today, I'll show you a $79 device that solves all 3 of these problems at once. And it's a cold wallet. Let me explain what that is. Imagine you have a safe, and to open it, you need to enter a specific code. This code is the access to your crypto. When crypto is on an exchange, the code is held by someone else's guard. If the guard is fired or runs away, your code disappears with him. When crypto is stored on a phone, the secret code is actually kept on a device that is connected to the internet. And this means a virus could potentially reach it and steal it. But a cold wallet is a physical device, almost like a secure box, that keeps the code safely inside and never lets it out, even if you connect it to a computer that is infected. It's the size of a credit card, weighs only 20 grams, and works without a battery. You just plug it in via cable when you need to make a transaction, to a power bank, a phone, or a computer. Now let's see what's inside the box. The device itself, a USB-C cable, and 3 sheets for writing down your seed phrase. A seed phrase is a set of 12 words, basically the master key to your wallet. You write it on paper and hide it somewhere at home. Don't take a photo, don't save it in your notes. Just paper, a pen, and a shelf somewhere in a closet. Setup takes only 7 minutes. Connect it via Bluetooth to your phone and you're done. The device supports 30,000 tokens and over 100 networks: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Ton, and everything else. Now, for what hooked me the most, blockchain is a public history. That's how the technology works, and anyone who can type in your address can find out how much money you have, where you sent it, who sent it to you, and so on. OneKey solves this problem automatically. It allows you to create a new address for every new incoming payment. For example, client A sends money to one address, client B to a second, client C to a third, and no one sees your total balance. This is great for maintaining privacy. And one more thing that almost no one knows. Inside this device, you can create a second, completely hidden wallet. One extra word at login and you're in a different space. Even if someone takes your device, they won't find the second wallet. The device simply won't show that it exists. I'll show you how it works. I open the app on my phone, enter the address and the amount I want to send. I hit send, but nothing happens. The app is waiting. I take the wallet, check on the screen where and how much I want to send, press the physical button, and only then the transaction goes through. Even if a hacker controls your phone or computer, without this physical button, the money won't go anywhere. And finally, no KYC, no registration, no passports, and no selfies with documents. You just take the device and use it. And let's summarize. OneKey Classic from OneS Pure is the most affordable device that protects against balance tracking, hacking, and the risk of an exchange closing and losing all your money with it. It has no battery and will work even in 10, 20, or 40 years. The link to the device with a 10% discount is in the description of this video. If this was helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel. In the next video, we'll look at how to properly receive payment in crypto if you're a freelancer or work online.